Before I jump into this video, I want to make sure that you guys know that this is completely my honest opinion of this brand and that this video is not sponsored by Curology. With that being said, let's begin. If you guys don't already know me, my name is Greta and I am a hairstylist. I've been on YouTube for around 3-4 months now, and I am really excited to put this video out because I want to start creating more clean product reviews. With that being said, I'll get into my skincare story. So I really didn't get acne until I was in my 20s. Before that, I might have had like 1 or 2 pimples here or there, and that was really no big deal. My skin was really clear and just really nice. Once I was hitting my 20s, it just seemed to all come at once, and my forehead was breaking out and my cheeks was breaking out and my chin, around my lips, my nose, like my earlobes, like everything. It was ridiculous. So I was on Instagram and I kept seeing these ads for Curology over and over and over. And there was multiple times that I went to their website to check them out and didn't do anything. But eventually one day I decided, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna try it. You just pay for shipping, which is about $5. And they send you a trial packet that lasts you a month, which is pretty awesome for $5. That being said, I would encourage you to buy the next set that lasts you at least a month later, because it does take 6 to 8 weeks for your skin to really notice a difference and have that like really work. I will say I didn't notice too much of a difference when I first began with that first month, but I wanted to just be really sure that this may or may not work. So I did go ahead and let them send me the next set. At this point, I am in my third month of Curology, and I'm really happy. So let's break this down. What is Curology? Curology is a prescription-based skincare that is provided by medical professionals. You take this online quiz that only takes a few minutes. They go through your medical history, again, because this is a prescription provided by medical providers. They go through some skincare history and different medical history, and they ask you what are your skin problems at the moment, like your problem areas, maybe it's your T-zone, your cheeks, or whatever, and then you express what your desired outcome is. So for me, what I wanted was to clear the acne, obviously, to lessen red spots, have some anti-aging properties, and some other stuff. There's a big list that you just put check marks by, and then as soon as you're done with that whole quiz thing, you send it to them and they pair you with a provider. And this is a live person you can talk to anytime and send your questions or messages to them. So when you're all done with that initial first purchase, $5, and they send you your trial. The first set that you get is kind of like a travel size and looks like this. What they send you later is a regular size product and looks like this. So that's the facial cleanser. And what's really nice is they show you on the back when to use it. So this one you can use day and night. Then you have this one, which is your actual prescribed product. And on the back, that goes ahead and tells you the actual prescribed ingredients that were specific to you and your needs. And then lastly, we have the moisturizer. And again, on the back, it tells you when you can use that. Now the prescribed one you only want to use at night. You put a thin layer on your skin and you sleep with that on. I would suggest washing that off in the morning before you ever see the sun. Otherwise, you have a more likely chance of burning your skin. So I put together a list of the pros that I came up with for this brand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read them off for you because I don't wanna miss anything. They are a non-comedogenic product, which means they do not clog pores. They are fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, and they're made in the US. Something I also found, which was really cool, was this was started out as a family business where one brother got his other brother and his mom and started it up. And I think that is super cool. From what I can see is that this is really simplified version of finding the right skincare products for you. I can search the web and say, okay, this product is gonna help this portion of my acne and this product's gonna help this. And if I use them all together, it'll clear up my acne. And you have to go through all this research and buy all these different products and make sure all your products are well made, and it's just a lot of work. Now, Curology also simplifies this by taking out the middle person of if you were gonna go to see a dermatologist and then have them prescribe something to you. So this is, I go online, I take a quiz, I finish this quiz, they select a provider, they match that person with me, this person talks to me, they make up this prescribed formula for me, and then I receive this in the mail. It's so simple. It's like the click of a button. It was made for me. So that being said, if you go to it and your skin's different than mine, you're gonna get a different prescription, and that's totally cool because it's made for you. I do like this brand. I really love what's happened, and I'm gonna show you some before and after pictures of my own skin. I just am so happy with how it's been. So right now, I only have mascara on. I have no makeup besides that, and this is my skin. It's really exciting. My boyfriends complimented it and said, wow, your skin's looking really good. My mom was by the other day and she's like, oh, your skin looks really good. What have you been doing? And so I'm just explaining, wow, yeah, Curology's really helped me. And I'm really, really thankful for it. Now, some points to mention is that it can't necessarily affect and help your hormonal acne. So you'll see fluctuations during the month. You just need to give it time. 6 to 8 weeks to see any improvements. After that, you can go back and talk to your provider and say, hey, these things have improved. I want to work on this now. And then she'll change your prescription so that it works for you in the future. And you can keep doing that as you go. So I think it's really cool that this is a really personalized thing, and I would suggest just trying it. It may not work for everybody, but it's worth a try. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this review. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by giving this video a like, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions about anything I talked about. And let me know if you use Curology or if you've tried it in the past and how that went for you. Consider subscribing to my video if you like this channel. There will be more clean product and beauty reviews in the future. I am a hairstylist, as I mentioned previously, so I have lots of hair tutorials and more to come. Again, thank you so much for being here and clicking on my video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys!